Let me show you an easy way to save your TikTok videos without the watermark. Oftentimes, TikTok videos have that TikTok watermark floating around the video. However, there are ways to be able to download it without the watermark. Now, open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. You have two different options. You can tap on plus at the bottom center. And let's say you're making a video right now and you're recording it. You want to post it and you want to save it without the watermark. You can do that by tapping the check mark at the bottom right and then hitting next. Now from here, we're going to choose more options at the very bottom, and you want to make sure save posts with watermark is turned off. So if that's turned on, just turn that off and make sure save to device is also turned on. Now, if you want to post this and you don't want anyone else to see it, but you just wanted to save it to your gallery, you can hit only you can view this post and hit post. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see it will land in my gallery after it's done downloading. Sometimes it takes a couple seconds and it will hop in there. Now, let's say if it's an older video that you wanted to download. All you need to do is find that specific video. Let's say this one. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right and then tap on download. This will download that photo or video to your device. And the nice thing is it won't include the watermark. So you can go in here and you'll be able to see there's no watermark on this video that I just downloaded.